Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can manage tags on Facebook. Maybe you want to manage your tags on Facebook so that it will have a limit on who can tag you. So today, I am going to show you on how you can manage your tags on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into this page. And also, proceed tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you simply need to scroll down and you'll see here the settings and privacy. Simply tap on the settings and privacy. And then in here, under the settings and privacy, choose the settings. And once you're in here, settings and privacy, you'll also see here under its preferences and also the audience and visibility. Under the audience and visibility, choose the profile and tagging. Simply tap on it. And then in here, under the tagging, you will see who can see posts you are tagged in your profile. Simply tap on this drop down button to manage it. And now you can change it to everyone, friends of friends, friends except specific friends, and only me. There you go. If you wanted to manage your tags on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how to manage tags on your Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.